There are 3 time zones that exist. There is the past, there is the present, and there is the future. But the past and the future are actually simply up here. Although there are 3 time zones, actually in reality there is only one in existence at a time, and that's the present. If you think about it, the only one that really matters is the present. If we want to have a better present, if we want to live more in the present and actually make use of the present, have the greatest actions, the motivation, the inspiration, the hope, then we've got to change how we think about the past and we've got to change how we think about the future. But the first thing is to be able to live more in the present moment. How many times when you sit down to relax do you start thinking about the past and then all the anxiety comes up? How many times do you often think about the future? We look into 2026, but then we think about how am I going to pay this bill, and I've got this mortgage to pay, and then this happens, and what if this happens, and what if that happens, and then before you know, it's like you don't even feel like getting out of bed. Welcome to 2026. Before you know it, December the 31st, 2026. And you're like, what did I do? Exactly the same as what we did in the previous year. Maybe some little differences. So what we have to do is learn from the past. Be hopeful about the future. Be optimistic about the future. Because that will shape how we act in the now. And that's the most important thing. Ultimately,